Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to securely send a sensitive message over the internet. Let's get right into this. Let's assume you want to share a password with a support team for a one-time or a short-term use. You don't want to be doing this over email or instant messages because this is a sensitive information and you want them to have this for a short period of time. And this is just a good practice for proper data management. So one way you can do this is using a secure data sharing service. So let's check one out. So this is privatebean.net and let's see how we can securely send a message for one-time use. So I'm going to try to share a password. This password is password123 exclamation mark. I'm going to set this to expire in 5 minutes. Let's burn after reading, and I'm going to set the password. Let's set the password as test123. So let's send this, and this generates a link you can copy. If you don't copy this link or save this link, you won't have access to this information anymore. So I'll open a new window and let's paste this link here. Let's assume the support team or your friend is opening this link. So now we need to enter the password, test123. Good. Now I can see this password here. And if we reload this or close this window, this message disappears. So yeah, that message has expired. That was for a one-time use, and that's how to securely send a sensitive message. So this is one service you can use. If you have a password manager like Bitwarden, you have this service available to you. This is called Send in Bitwarden. So if you click on new, you can type the name of the text you are sharing. Then access the options. Let's set this to delete in 1 hour, expire in 1 hour. Let's set a password. And yeah, let's save this. And once you save this, you can copy the link. So let's copy the link. Let's paste this here. And we need to input the password. And here is our message. So that's how to securely send a sensitive message. If you have other password managers like ProtonPass, you might have access to this send service. And another one is PrivNote. This is also one you can use to send sensitive message. Yeah, so that's how you send a sensitive message over the internet. If you've been using emails to send your password and other sensitive message to people, you should stop that. That's a very bad practice. And yeah, I hope you learned something from this. If you want to learn more about stuff like this, check the link in the description below. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in another video.